Two COVID-19 vaccine options now approved for kids as young as 6 months old.
There's a problem. Those doses are still not available. Lisa Balick looking into this. She joined us from downtown. What did you find out, Lisa?
Well, it's definitely frustrating for a lot of parents who thought, hey, I'll be able to take my kid in on Monday and get them their first shot against a series of shots. But the reality is it's a holiday and those vaccines are still being shipped here to Oregon as well as other states. That's the big reason for the delay, but they should be showing up later on this week.
No baby or preschool or COVID shots today. The reason? The special vaccine doses are still on the way. Both Pfizer and Moderna have governmental approval for their vaccines for ages 6 months to 5 years old, but those doses are a lot smaller and specially formulated. Most healthcare offices are waiting until the vaccines arrive to start offering appointments. In fact, today on the federal website, vaccines.gov, the vaccine finder site where you can look up where to find shots in your area, there was not even a space yet to click to find a COVID shot for those under age 5. It just shows up for ages 5 and up. State health offices are closed today for the federal Juneteenth holiday. No mail today. I'm told they're still waiting for vaccine shipments to arrive, so hospital and county clinics are on hold. I checked in with pharmacies. They too are waiting. But I did find Walgreens was allowing you to make a child appointment for next week. But in Oregon, pharmacists can only give shots to those ages 3 and up. While there may be an initial rush to get kids the series of COVID shots, there's also hesitancy by many.
COVID has been quite common in children. Actually, we think maybe almost 70% of kids have ended up getting infected with COVID. Still worth getting the vaccine. It really offers an extra level of protection, an extra layer of protection. What vaccines do is they keep kids out of the hospital. And that's why they are so effective.
I found out by calling around, a few Portland area pediatric offices are scheduling appointments, some as soon as this Thursday, but most still waiting until they get the doses. For this age group, Pfizer and Moderna have approved vaccines. Doctors say whichever you can get first for your child is the one to select. And remember, it's a 2 or 3 dose series of shots.
Now, again, if you're thinking, uh-oh, here we go again, we're going to have a big wait and a big pileup for people trying to get those vaccines. Well, it may be a little bit in the beginning, but the concern is that there's not going to actually be enough demand down the road. Not enough kids will get these vaccines because the parents won't want them. They're still doing a lot of convincing to tell people, look, get it for your child. So it may be a short wait, but again, check back on the websites in a couple of days. Back to you.
Okay, great information, Lisa. Thank you.